friends, welcome to my channel class 10 max subject exercise 5 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. In that exercise 5.1 I explained in the previous video, okay, in a part wise, and now I am going to start the exercise 5.2. So exercise 5.2 is also very easy. I will explain you very easy method. Okay, it won't be a hard for you. And please friends, watch the full video. Okay, if you will watch the full video, then only you will get understand. And share these videos to most of the friends. Okay, to your friends who is studying in the 10th standard, you can share this video. And maths is very easy subject. You can get the scoring marks means 100 out of 100 you can get it. In other subject it won't get. Okay. So be practice. Take a 2 hour, 1 hour for the maths subject and you just do the practice. You will get it. We can't mug up the question answers. Okay. We are mugging the question answers in other subject. Theory part. But this is we have to do the practice. Okay. How many times we will practice, then only we'll get a good marks. Okay, that's work guarantee. Now exercise 5.2 I am starting. In that A is see you have saw that column is there. A is the first term, D common difference, N is given, A and is the AP. Okay, the nth term of the AP is there. So in the first we get first one. I will start with the first term. Okay, first question is first one answer. We are starting the solutions. So A, what is the first term? A is 7. Here D is 3 and N is 8 and we have to find out the AN. So we know what is the AN. What the formula of AN? Who will say? A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, is this a formula? No? Yeah, we know that. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Okay. So what is the A? 7 and 8 minus 1 and D is 3. Okay. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 means 7 into 3. So 7 plus 21. 7 3 are 21. Okay. So 7 plus 21 is 28. So we got AN is equal to 28. Okay, we find out here 28. So instead of this question mark, what I will write? I will write here 28. Okay. Now here in the second sums. In the second sums, what is the A? 18 minus 18. D is question mark. N is 10 and AN is 0. So what's our formula? AN is equal to A plus bracket AN minus 1 D. What is A? Minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 D is not, we have not got the D. Okay, so we will write D here. And what is our AN? 0. So 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9 D. Okay, so 0 means here if we will convert this 0 plus 18 is equal to 9D to 18 is equal to 9D. So D is equal to 18 upon 9, that is D is equal to 2. We got our D. Differences are 2. Okay, second one also I have solved it. Now third one. Here the third one sums. What here given? A is not given. We have to find out A. A is it. We have to find out. D is minus 3. N is 18. And AN is minus 5. Okay, we know the formula as we know. AN is equal to A plus bracket N minus 1 D. So A is, we have to find out. N 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3. And what is our AN? Minus 5. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3. Okay, here A is given. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into 3. How much it will get? 51. Okay, so minus 51. So therefore A is equal to 51 minus 5. A is equal to 46. So what is our A? We find out A is equal to 46. Okay. Now we again find the fourth one sums. This I am rubbing out. Okay. There is no space. So I am rubbing this one. So you got it now how I did it. Just whatever the question marks is given, that terms we have to find. Either we have to find A, either B, D or N or AN. Okay. Now we will see here N we have to find. In fourth one we have to find the N. First we have find AN, second D, third A, and now the last is N. Okay. So here fourth one sums A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5 and N is equal to how much, and AN is equal to 3.6. As we know the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So what is our AN? 3.6 is equal to A is minus 18.9 plus N we don't know, N minus 1, and D is 2.5. Okay, so what we will do, we will just convert these things to here. So minus will go to plus. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1, 2.5. 3.6 and 18.9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15, 1, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Okay, so here 22.5 is equal to N minus 1, 2.5. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 22.5 upon 2.5. So, therefore, N minus 1 is equal to up 2.5 and 22.5 is there. So, we will see in the table of 25 sevens are, we will see 25 sevens are 5 sevens are 35, 3, 14, no, it won't get. So, we will try 25 into 9. 45, 5, 4, 9 to 18, 22. Okay, so answer is 9. Okay, we will cut these decimals. Okay, अभी that decimals cut करना हो 22 upon 5, 10 into 2 into 10. तो ये cancel हो गया. So 25 बन जाए 25 9 सा. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, what will be the n? N is equal to 9. This one will go this side plus 1. So n is 10. Okay, so easily I find out the n. How we have find out. So it is very easy, friends. Okay, now we will go for the fifth one sums. This I am rubbing out. Okay, I think so. You have paused you have written notes down it. Otherwise, you have take the screenshots. Okay. Now the fifth one sums. How we have to find here. The A is given 3.5, D is equal to 0 is there, N is equal to 105, and we have to find AN. Okay, so what's the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Just we have to remember this formula and we can put the numbers which it is given and we can find out that which terms we have to find. A is 1, D or AN or N. Okay. So we can easily find. Now we have to find this. So our A is 3.5 plus N is 105 minus 1 and D is 0. So 3.5 plus 104. Okay, 104 into 0. So of course 3.5 plus 0. Okay, 104 into 0 is 0 only. So our answer is 3.5. So AN is equal to 3.5 we have find out. Okay, understood this sums? Very easily I had explained you in the different. First we have to find out that A, then D, then N and then AN. So this way I had explained you how to find each terms. Okay, so you got it? If you like my video, then click the like button. If any doubts is there, you can send me the comment sections. Okay. If you like also, you can send me the good message in the comment section. Share my channel, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.